Sleeping kittens, who I now have to disturb. We're looking disturbed enough as it is. Hello you. Mummy's vacant. Oh, so tired, falling over. What's that all about? Why are you shaking like that, silly thing? Can I walk across you? I will walk across you. How can you stay asleep with that going on? Right, you're going to start chewing on faces. Right. Well, the reason I was saying we're going to have to wake you is we're going to have to move you first, I think, aren't we? Bigger, deeper box. You're going to be able to get out of that? I'm not sure. Goes down quite a way. Don't worry, don't be lonely. I'm going to get the next one who is being all fidgety. Give you somewhere new to explore. A vast wilderness of blue IKEA blanket. Who's next? How about you? I know you're sleepy. Oh. But you're awake, see? You've got your eyes open, you're hearing us. Come on. Come on. There we go. And you're in as well. Before you get lonely, because you've just woken up and wondering where everyone is, aren't you? Yes. Cutie pie. Tasting your foot, huh? Come on then, let's pick you up and get you over there. There we go. I'm sure Mummy will be along in a minute. Ow! Oh, that hurt. Put my knee on that. Nice. Hello. They seem awfully far away now. But we need the high walls, don't we? Because you lot have been clambering out of the box. So then we had to put the lid on the box and put a cardboard box up against the door that you couldn't clamber over, but Mummy could get in past. But this is better now. You have more room to move around because she's going nuts with you trampling her all the time. You have room to grow, but not room to escape just yet. It's amazing how fascinating blank walls can be when you're a kitten. What's this one like? I must go and have a look at that one. I'll check out this one. What's the matter? Mummy, you coming over? You coming in? No, they're not squeaking for attention, so she's not bothered now. She's out for the night. Out of the box, that is. She's not going too far, but she is leaving them to their own devices a bit more now. Squeak. Come on, they're squeaking. You going to come over? Apparently not. She's going to leave them squeaking for a bit. I suppose it toughens them up, eh? Give them a little squitch. Get them used to it. Ooh! Fell over. Oh, pretty. You are a pretty thing, aren't you? You're all pretty. We'll have a hell of a time trying to decide which of you we want to let go to people and which... I want to keep you all. Can't afford to keep you all. And certainly can't bear the thought of the litter tray with this many kitties. Oh, you coming then, Missy? You gonna jump in then? They're in here. You saw me put them in there. No, don't use that as your bed now. They're in here. This way. Look, they're just there. Honestly, do I have to pick you up and plonk you in there? Come on. You just went all floppy on me, didn't you? Yes. I tried to pick her up and she just... Bleh. There we go. You can do that. There you go. Mummy wasn't far. Yeah, I know you weren't far. They were the ones worried. Weren't you? But Mummy's here. You can settle down again now. No, don't start pulling it up at the corners. I folded that carefully so you didn't have any lumps and ridges and things. So it was nice and smooth and comfortable for you. Now you've just gone and rucked it up, honestly. And you're a bit rough when you lick them as well, apparently. Yeah? Nibbler's still not sure what to make of you. And these, is he? He's wondering why you get more crunchies than him. Wait, you just kicked him out of the way! Or her. Still don't know, do we? There we go. You're at the wrong end, Mouse Cow. You're wandering off over that way. Go under the leg instead. Better. Stop kicking them. What are you doing, silly boy? Oh, right, we're going over this end instead, are we? What? We can sit on more kittens that way. Yeah, there we go. There you go. Open for dinner. In you go. Oops. Yeah, you're a bit fed up with this all now, aren't you? This parenthood lark. All they ever do is feed and trample her. Although to be fair, you do put your paws on their heads quite a bit to go and stop them going all over the place. But right, well, there we go. Well, we're thinking about it. It is now the 6th. It is 3 weeks. They're 3 weeks and 3.5 weeks old, thereabouts. There we go. Ta-ta.